Well, breaking news coming in. It's a big blow for YSR Congress Chief Jagan Mohan Reddy as two of his MPs have joined the TDP. Let me now go across to our editor South T.S. Sudhir. Sudhir, who are these two MPs and why have they suddenly decided to desert YSR Congress at this stage?
So these two MPs are Nandyal MP S.P.Y. Reddy and also Kurnool MP Butta Renuka. Just now, S.P.Y. Reddy, along with Butta Renuka's husband, Neelakantham, met Chandrababu Naidu in Delhi and expressed their willingness to join the TDP. S.P.Y. Reddy essentially says that it is not because of any differences with Jagan Mohan Reddy, but essentially because they want to contribute to development of the region. Butta Renuka is also likely to meet Chandrababu Naidu later this evening, and her joining the TDP is just a formality. But a huge blow to Jagan Mohan Reddy within days of the election results coming. Already the party in a state of shock because it could not come to power in the Seemandhra region. But now, if this operation on part of the TDP to attract many more MPs and MLAs to its fold actually continues, it will actually render the YSR Congress pretty helpless. We are told by our sources within the TDP that many more MLAs, especially in the Rayalaseema region, from Kurnool district, from Kadapa district, have also evinced interest or at least got in touch with the TDP, wanting to switch over to the YSR Congress. And that would really mean a lot of trouble as far as Jagan Mohan Reddy's YSR Congress is concerned.
Terrible news there for Jagan Mohan Reddy. Now it ends up with 7 MPs in Parliament. Many thanks, T.S. Sudhir, for getting us those details.